We did this stopover, guys. Here we are at Maragbari Overload Food Park. That's nice and awesome. So we are a little bit tired, but parte kinalastog mi dito. Yan, mag-alas 2 na, pero okay lang yan. Let's try their Mickey here. How's the food? Good. The food is good. How about you? Good. And my best friend, the food is good, and the good is me, and we are good. For good, the dog is not good. Ayaw, di ma. So if ever man po na mayaw-awan kayo dito sa Marag, why don't you try here? Perfect. Mickey is good with soft drinks. At kung sino man yung founder ng Coca-Cola, baka naman. So mga best friend, we're going to hit the road again. Babush.